Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, we woke up to a cold one yesterday morning. Today, it's, 20, 30 degrees warmer in most places.
Yeah, Joe, yesterday we woke up in the 20s, and today we're in the 40s. We got 130-degree reading out there in Imperial at 37, but everybody else is running 41 in McCook and Burlington, all the way to 47 there in Goodland. We got winds that are now turning to a westerly direction. They'll be west-northwest this afternoon, around 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that'll be a kind of a quiet, tranquil day where we see temperatures warm up with that downsloping direction into the low to mid-80s. And then we're going to be looking ahead to Thursday, and that's the day that we're going to see some weather, and it looks like it's going to be in the form of a fire weather watch. It's now in place for the counties along I-70 and south for the afternoon and into the evening, and we're expecting those south winds to become gusty at 20 to 30 miles per hour, with some gusts going 40 to 50 in the late afternoon, early evening time frame. What that's going to do is push the temperatures, should still reach around 80 degrees, maybe a little more or a little less, depending on the timing of a front that comes through in the evening. That's going to flip those winds to a north direction, so that south gusting to 50 miles per hour could go north 50 miles per hour and cause a little bit of travel conditions out there, something to keep an eye on as that happens. And that strong cold front will move through. We could see some light rain showers there during the evening, maybe mixing or changing to snow overnight into early on Friday morning. And then Friday becomes much colder as that cold air, north winds 20, 30 miles per hour, pull that cold air into the area, and temperatures will only be in the upper 40s. Overnight lows will go below freezing. Thus, we could have some lingering rain showers developing again Friday afternoon into Saturday, and then maybe another shot there on Saturday afternoon that would be light type precipitation, more in the order of a quarter inch or less, and maybe some light snow mixing out there in Colorado. Don't expect any accumulation or anything like that. Just temperatures are favorable for that. Saturday will go lower 50s for highs, still chilly, overnight low around 33, and then we start looking at Easter Sunday. There is a storm system, and that trough is going to track out of the southwest. It's going to start at the Mexico border, move northeast across Texas and Oklahoma. Looks like that'll keep the precipitation to our south and east in that Dodge City, Wichita, Kansas City, southeastern Kansas area. And we'll see sunshine breaking out, so it'll actually lead to a pretty nice Easter Sunday. We're looking at temperatures in the middle to upper 60s, lows in the upper 30s. And then Monday, Tuesday, we'll warm into the 70s with overnight lows in the 40s. Both those days look dry. Maybe Tuesday night we start to see some chances for rain. But Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we really start to see chances for rain. And then that looks like with waves of energy all the way to the end of the month. Computer models are suggesting that with systems at the end of the next week, maybe one over the weekend and one before we end the month, we could pick up 1-2 inches or maybe even some locally heavier type rainfall to finish up April here and head into May. And that is pretty timely for the drought conditions we're seeing and the fact that we need more moisture to get some corn planted.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.